I'm Jasbir Singh Vasu. My journey into private security sector started way back in 1970 when I finished my college. With my graduation, I took up an additional subject called military science, which today I find has been reintroduced in the various school curriculums in order to encourage the career path for defense services of school-going children, creating their interest. Similarly, private security has also been introduced as a subject on pilot projects by the government in NCERT courses, and it would elicit interest in the rural sector, in the migrant sector, where as of years ago this was totally a unorganized, untrained, unskilled sector. This would elicit their interest, and further government steps have been taken to bring in a mechanism, a very well-organized mechanism, which will go a long way into filling all these skill gaps in the private security sector. Institutions such as NSDC have been promoted by the government, which are further promoting sector skill councils, and the council which attends to our sector is the SKSDC, primarily devoting itself to cover the initial Herculean task of training 70 lakh security guards existing in the country. The industry is growing by 25% per annum. To keep that percentage at existing 30% deficiency levels, it is a Herculean task, and the path chosen is to create hundreds of trainers, hundreds of master trainers who will further multiply these figures and cover the entire 70 lakh sector. It is going to take time. It seems as an indomitable task, but the beginning has been made and they shall cover this task. SKSDC as an institution is going to be a catalyst in promoting training in the entire private security sector. We have thousands of security agencies who were more or less into the business of trading in warm bodies. They did not either have adequate infrastructure for training. They were small, medium sector. It is only the large companies who actually had setups and who were into training. Today, what SKSDC is doing as a catalyst is promoting the institution of training into the country, training of guards at centers such as ours, which is SHRIST. It is Sentia Royal Institute of Security Training, which is a partnership project between Mr. Teja Singh Tanwar and his company Royal Security Detectives and Sentia Education and Training Private Limited. At SHRIST, we are happy to be associated with the SKSDC and be recognized with them as a training provider. We believe our capabilities are enhanced with our association. We are proud that we will be training a lot of trainers in the industry, we'll be training guards in the industry, we'll be giving people sources of livelihood, enhanced certification processes where their talents which were not recognized at any stage will now gain recognition, they'll gain upgradation, and overall the service delivery to the consumer, the stakeholder, all around increases with the training, skilling. The raw youth who are from the BPL sector, the below poverty line sector, they are our main recruiting grounds. Their families, even if they get one individual trained, certified, who has a career path open to him and is a regular earning member, which employment we do look into the employment area definitely after the training, then there's an assurance to that family to emerge from that below poverty line sector and be a part of the country's mainstream.